Frequent flyers often have insider knowledge that can help improve the travel experience. Here are 20 travel tips that frequent flyers will give. 1. Boarding the plane. Boarding order depends on your priorities. Boarding early ensures access to overhead bin space for carry-ons and allows you to settle in quickly. Boarding late can mean avoiding long lines and potentially spotting empty rows for extra space. It's about finding the right balance based on your seat location and preference for a quick or relaxed boarding process. 2. Maximizing miles and points. Understanding the nuances of earning and redeeming miles and points can be beneficial. Knowing which routes and times offer the most miles per dollar spent and capitalizing on bonus points, promotions can lead to high-value options for flights and upgrades. Leveraging airline partnerships can also help earn and spend miles on partner airlines. 3. Choosing the best seats. Use resources like Seat Guru to find the best seats on any given flight. Look for seats with extra legroom, recline, and proximity to exits for faster disembarkation. Avoid seats near the galley or restrooms due to potential noise and disturbances. 4. Airport lounges. Airport lounges offer amenities such as free snacks, beverages, comfortable seating, workspaces, showers, and sometimes even spa services. These lounges provide a quiet escape from crowded terminals, making the travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. 5. Packing smartly. Efficient packing techniques include rolling clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles, using packing cubes for organization, and bringing versatile clothing to minimize luggage. Keep essential items like travel documents, electronics, and chargers within easy reach and carry-ons. Using a digital luggage scale can help avoid overweight baggage fees. 6. Beating jet lag. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before travel to align with your destination's time zone. During flights, stay hydrated, avoid alcohol and caffeine, and try to sleep according to the new time zone. Exposure to natural light upon arrival helps reset the body's internal clock. 7. Using fare alerts. Use fare alert services to track flight prices and receive notifications when fares drop. Book flights well in advance or use flexible travel dates to take advantage of lower fares. 8. Understanding airline loyalty programs. Strategically accumulating miles and points through travel and credit card spending can lead to perks like priority boarding, complimentary upgrades, and lounge access. Being aware of airline alliances helps maximize benefits across partner airlines. 9. Navigating security lines. Assess security lines quickly and choose the shortest or fastest moving lines. Programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry expedite the screening process and reduce wait times. 10. The psychology of plane design. Airlines use calming colors like blue for seats and interiors to reduce anxiety and create a soothing environment. The design and layout of cabins, including lighting and seating arrangements, can influence in-flight comfort and overall experience. 11. Bring your own amenities. Frequent flyers recommend bringing a travel pillow, noise-cancelling headphones, and an eye mask to ensure comfort and rest on long flights. These personal items can significantly improve sleep quality and reduce the discomfort associated with long-haul travel. 12. Portable power solutions. Always carry a portable charger or power bank. Airplanes and airports might not always have convenient charging stations, and having your own power source ensures your devices stay charged for entertainment, work, or navigation upon arrival. 13. Plan beneficial layovers. Instead of viewing layovers as inconveniences, savvy travelers use them to explore new cities. Look for flights with extended layovers in interesting locations. Some airlines even offer free city tours or layover packages to encourage exploration. 14. Stay hydrated and active. Air travel can dehydrate you, so drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight. Additionally, stretch and move around the cabin periodically to prevent stiffness and improve circulation. Some flyers also bring their own healthy snacks to avoid high sugar and high salt options typically available on flights. 15. Download airport maps. Airports can be confusing and overwhelming, especially when you're in a hurry. Download airport maps and apps to help you navigate unfamiliar terminals quickly. Knowing the layout in advance can save time and reduce stress, making your travel experience smoother. 16. Leveraging airport amenities. Modern airports offer a range of amenities that can make your travel experience more pleasant. Take advantage of services like free Wi-Fi, designated rest zones, children's play areas, and exercise rooms. Some airports even offer cultural exhibits or local food tastings, providing a more enriching wait time. 17. Choosing the right hotel. Frequent flyers often recommend booking hotels that offer airport shuttle services to save on transportation costs and reduce travel stress. Additionally, look for hotels with flexible check-in and check-out times, especially for flights arriving early or departing late. Loyalty programs with hotel chains can also provide perks like room upgrades and complimentary breakfast. 18. Protecting your trip. Consider purchasing comprehensive travel insurance that covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Frequent flyers know that unexpected events can happen, and having insurance can save you significant money and hassle if your travel plans are disrupted. Compare different policies to find one that best suits your needs. 19. Organizing important papers. Keep all essential travel documents, such as passports, boarding passes, and itineraries, organized and easily accessible. Use a dedicated travel wallet or digital app to store and manage these documents. Having everything in one place reduces stress and ensures a smoother airport experience. 20. Embracing carry-on only. Many experienced travelers recommend using only a carry-on bag to save time and avoid the hassle of checked luggage. Choose a lightweight, durable carry-on that meets airline size requirements. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered and mixed, and use travel-sized toiletries. This approach not only speeds up your airport experience, but also reduces the risk of lost luggage and makes navigating your destination easier. These tips and secrets can help make flying more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable for frequent travelers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for sticking around with us.